Hello guys, welcome to the platform. Once again, it's great to be back on your screen. And Chelsea is closing in on Tosin Adarabioyo, Fulham player who's become a free agent this transfer window. And I must say this quite commendable from the clearly capital owners of Chelsea. For this one, I'll have to commend them, as you guys are aware, because this is the area of defense I've been crying loud about for the club to take a critical look at that position for that matter. And I'm looking at Tosin Adarabioyo as an added advantage whenever we are defending corner kicks. That's set pieces, corner kicks, free kicks, and other set pieces. And also when we are attacking set pieces. So you could see Chelsea were vulnerable during the course of last season in respect of defending set pieces, and we conceded 11 goals or so from set pieces. We are the 10th worst team to defend set pieces with 11 goals conceded, and Manchester City being the best team to defend against set pieces with 3 goals conceded. So we will want to move the statistics in our favor a little bit so that we can get more points saved. And I don't know, we critically look at that area of football. Defense is quite an important area for that matter, because when you are able to defend well, whenever your team scores, it means you are guaranteed of 3 points. In rare cases, you end up getting a draw, right? And so you shouldn't be conceding useless goals. And although I'm not in favor of shifting the defense, or maybe Chalobah out. Maybe Bediashile should be sold and Chalobah should be allowed to stay. Because Manchester United are saying they can pay more than £25 million, and even for £25 million is a peanut amount. So let's look at some case scenarios there. Fulham, in which he's coming from Fulham. Fulham was the third best team to defend against set pieces last season with 8 goals conceded. Arsenal being second with 7 goals conceded. You understand? And Chelsea 10th with 11 goals conceded with respect to set pieces. The worst team in defense of set pieces was Nottingham Forest, who conceded 22 goals, and no wonder they were near relegation. But though they survived, but they were near the relegation zone. And so conceding goals from set pieces should be a thing of the past. I'm not saying you 100% defend every set piece, but at least having a taller defender among our defense will improve us with respect to improving our statistics on the table there, which was quite shambolic last season. Had we defended most set pieces better, we would have been in the top 3. Even be more than 4, challenging Liverpool there in the top 3 there. So it's an important area. Tosin Adarabioyo, Chelsea closing in. Welcome to Chelsea. Fabrizio Romano has